I am Professor Bidyut Saha, Department of Chemistry, the University of Burdwan. I have been actively involved in teaching for over 25 years, educating M.Sc students in areas such as colloidal chemistry, solid state chemistry, and catalysis. My teaching approach focuses on bridging academic concepts with research applications, helping students translate theoretical knowledge into practical research and industrial processes. By emphasizing deep conceptual understanding, my teaching empowers my students to excel academically and earn recognition in prestigious national seminars. Recently, two of my students, Animesh Acharjee and Mehebub Rahaman, have received national awards for their outstanding performance in national seminars. Throughout my passionate academic career, I have supervised 16 Ph.D. students with 13 more currently working under my guidance. My academic mentorship has also been enriched by the supervision of two postdoctoral fellows, further extending the impact of my leadership. Over the past decades, I have been actively involved in assessment of research articles submitted to reputed international journals. In my role as a reviewer, I have devoted myself to the critical evaluations of manuscripts to ensure that only original, innovative, and potentially transformative research is published, enriching the global scientific community. Additionally, I have served as an editor for prestigious journals committed to selecting and promoting outstanding scholarly works. My role as both editor and reviewers have been formally recognized by the respective journals. I am the recipient of the 2025 Springer Nature Editor of Distinction Awards. This is a prestigious recognition bestowed upon the journal editors who have demonstrated exceptional commitment and excellence in scholarly publishing. I have also been recognized as a top peer reviewer by Burdwan in 2019 for my significant contribution to the peer review process. Burdwan's top reviewer recognition is awarded to the researcher who demonstrate exceptional dedication and impact in peer reviewing for the academic journal worldwide. Alongside my academic career, my research journey has spanned over 25 years, marked by the unwavering dedication and commitment towards research. I am actively engaged in research on surfactant, toxicity of bioremediation of hexavalent chromium, emulsions, and metallogens. My dedication to academic and research has earned worldwide recognition. I am the Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, London since 2024. I have been recognized as an Elsevier Stanford World Top 2% Scientist in Chemical Physics for the year 2023 and 2024. I have been awarded the High Rank Scholar Lifetime Achievement in the hexavalent chromium specialty by Scholar GPS. All this acknowledgement continually motivated me to dedicate the rest of my career to advancing academic knowledge, fostering impactful research, and contributing to the enrichment of both the academic and industrial sectors.